video this time, and I'm literally dying of heat stroke right now. I swear to God, if we carry on with this, you might not see me for much longer. That's all I'm saying. We're so not used to this weather, and when it's not like really sunny or hot, it's sticky and it's stuffy and it's sweaty and it's humid. I swear to God, I walked out today and it must have been about 70 or 80% humidity, and it just made me feel like I was on holiday, minus the fun bit of the holiday. It was really not nice. And then, like, obviously you're used to the aircon being on holiday because you go back to your room and it's nice old aircon. In England, unless you're rich, not many people have aircon. It's just not a thing unless you're in a shop. So we are all dying in our houses. But that's a story altogether. If you want me to do a rant on that, let me know down in the comments. Welcome back to my channel, and my name is Sam. If you don't know who I am, hit that subscribe button, follow my journey, and become part of the Randomthings family. Hit that like button because this is going to be a 1 minute video. Today am going to show you basically my massive summer haul of trainer shopping. Yes, the summer 2018 summer haul trainer shopping, just for you guys. I mean, that's how much I think about you. So like I said, smash that like button, let me know what you think, let me know which one's your favourites, and I'll tell you which one is my favourite. And of course, subscribe if you're new. Let's get into this. The first one is Adidas. So here we have Adidas. Very, very nice. And they are boys trainers, in fact. Obviously, I'm not going to be wearing them. So these are very neat and cool football boots. So there's the first boot, which are pretty goddamn nice if you ask me. I mean, just look at that red and how the black entwines. You've got those gorgeous black laces, and of course, wow, we've got gold underneath. I didn't know about that. And there is your Adidas logo. So these are awesome. And also these are actually from JD Sports. So if you want these, you know where to go for them. And there you have it. Brand spanking new. How about that? So that's my first pair. I actually got two, to be honest, because they were on such a good deal. You know I like a good deal. Didn't know, you do now. I like a good deal. And these are exactly the same. Exactly the same. So they will come in very good use. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to get two because they were on offer. And why not? Then at least when one is ruined, you can get another one out. Yeah, like magic. Now, as we're on the summer and football hype, I got another one. But these are not too black. These are actually, I didn't even tell you what them were called. These are called Nemesis, not Nemesis. Nemesis, black, solar red, Gnosis. Apparently, that's what they're called. These ones are Speed 2.0 Sulfur Spring. So there we have it. And these are so gorgeous, you won't even believe the amount of detail. Like I say detail, look at that scale. Oh, that's perfect lighting. Look at that beauty. This design is perfect, and it's just so easy to clean. You just wipe them clean with a sponge or wet cloth. And the studs on these ones are pretty amazing. Like, they're really, obviously studs are solid, but I think these studs are better than them ones. I don't know, let me know in the comments what you think. So this design is beautiful. Obviously, again, not for me. But there's a second one. So that that's 2 so far of my summer haul. 2. We're on to girls now. We can't leave the girls out, can we? These are absolutely gorgeous. If these were in my size, I'd be wearing them. Look how cute and adorable these are. These are sketches, and these are called Burst Sweet Symphony Hot Pink Turquoise. How about that then, guys? They're so cute, and to be honest, I absolutely love that little keyring they've given you, which will be used again, so that's absolutely beautiful. The actual design on the bottom as well is perfect, and there you go. I should be some kind of I should advertise for these guys, shouldn't I? These weren't actually from JD. These ones, both of those, by the way, the football ones are from JD. These are from, I'll get this right, getthelabel.com. The place where I told you I got my other ones from my last training video, which I'll certainly leave a link down in the description or on a card or paste somewhere throughout the video. So yeah, these are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous to detail as well. I mean, look at that.
Right now, don't say you're on the run.
I love the S. Absolutely love the detail here too. That is a beauty. Really impressed with this lighting, guys. Let me know what you think. So, I love them. Unfortunately, they're not in my size, and there is the right one. Boom! So that's my 3rd one. My 4th one. Again, more football. We're on the football height, people. These are gorgeous. These are called a 16.3 FG. Doesn't really have a name. And then it goes on to the colour. But obviously they are Adidas. So Adidas are really rocking it this year. And there we have it. These are perfect. If you're loving your blue, you know what to do. Oh, poet and don't know it. Look at these though. I mean, the famous 3 stripes, Adidas on the back. That detail as well is amazing. And then the studs again, which, yeah, are very, very nice. And then you've got your Adidas there on the bottom. I mean, could you even get more gorgeous than them? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. These are beauties. These are absolutely beauties. I've never actually worn football boots, but I don't know. Once you've worn them in, I guess they'd be comfy. But you football lovers out there, I just thought I'd give a quick unboxing to show you what's on offer at JD. So that's my 4th one. These are the ones you've been waiting for. Correction, these are the ones I've been waiting for. These are mine, so get in. I got these on such a good deal as well. I tell you what these are. These are DC Heathrow Yellow Gold. You know what is coming. You know what is coming. These beauties. Oh my god. Have you seen the gorgeousness on that golden yellow? I've got to say, guys, obviously I'll show you them laced up, but these must be my new favourite trainers. And look at that underneath. This is just amazing. You got your DC logo there too. You got your DC logo there. And I've not had ones with this bottom on in like a long time, because like I said, they've changed DC so much since I was on a hype of buying them. And then you've got them there. These are just beauties. You've got your I don't even know what you call it. It's just basically to help you get it on your foot. So you got one of them. We'll take this out, which is pretty cool to keep it in place. I never had that before. And you've got all your DC logo there. You know, this is pretty mint. I'm gonna lace them up for you. do a shoe haul presentation. So there we have it. They are beautifully laced. Wow. Let's try them on. Oh wow. They've changed the design of these so much. They've made them like a slip-on. So the tongue, in this instance, is actually attached to the shoe. Normally, obviously your tongue comes out. Here is my example, guys, from my last video. I'll leave again a link in the description. Look, the actual tongue is separate. All separate. But that's actually together. This is the way forward, guys. That's all I can say. That is a beauty. Wow, that's like a perfect fit as well. Mr. Logo. They're on the end. Guys, I can't even tell you how comfy they are. Like, they are literally as comfy. I don't know what they've done, but like I said, I've not bought DCs in so long, but these are super, super soft and spongy and comfy. Like, obviously trainers are comfy when you buy them new, but I can't even describe how comfy they are. Like, they remind me a little bit of the memory foam in Skechers, and I'm not even gonna lie, they're not raised at the bottom like they are with Skechers, because Skechers soles, if you've ever worn them, they feel like they're raised on the floor, but they're just unbelievably soft and comfy. These are like unbelievably weird to get on, but once they're on, they're perfectly fine. Like, these are gorgeous. Oh my god, I can't even describe how comfy and amazing these are right now. So you get them on your foot, right? And then you're like, oh, I need to, you know, you always pull the automatic thing when you put a shoe on is to pull the tongue up so it's straight. With these, you don't have to. It's kind of, your foot just literally slides in. Like, this is amazing. And what I want to point out is, you know, when you always have to tighten the lace up, with these necessarily you don't have to. So I'm going to see if you can do a close-up. So you've got your lace here, and you want to tie it, right? You want to tighten it up, so you pull, and it springs back. Like, I've never had laces where they actually spring back. This is new to me. This is amazing.
I don't know what you
Boom! These are perfect, and also a perfect opportunity to show you my new gorgeous, amazing shaggy rug. Like, literally, I love walking on this rug without shoes on because it's so spongy and soft, and it does not fray. Like, the most amazing thing about this rug, it does not fray. And these, you know, from the other one, it was turned upside down because it frayed so much. It's absolutely ridiculous. But these are on another level, I swear, these are on another level. Look at them. I've never had gold or yellow trainers in my life. I absolutely love them. So there we have it. Well, hey, I am in love with these trainers, that's all I can say. So yeah, let me know which ones are your favourites in the comments. Smash that like button, like I said, because why not? You got this far into the video, you might as well give us a like for that one. Comment down below which one's your favourites. What are your all-time favourite summer trainers? What are your new trainers this year? What do you like? Do you like Adidas? Do you like Nike? Do you like DCs? Do you like Puma? I know it's still a thing, not that I've ever liked Puma. You can still get Reebok, which was one of my favourites as a kid, like literally, I swear to God. Quick story, I would basically get Reebok trainers for Christmas or my birthday or whatever. Within, no word of a lie, 2 weeks, the soles would be gone. Because we always used to have running races when we was kids, and just running around and playing in general on my bike. It was literally ridiculous, and it got to the point where Mum said, you know what, I'm not buying you any more Reebok. Wow, was I not happy. I mean, it wasn't her that I got them after that, it was other people, but it was one of them. So yeah, little story for you. But yeah, I hope you like this different summer video. And like I said, let me know down in the comments. Smash that like button, and of course, subscribe if you're new, because you might as well subscribe. There's a lot of content you're going to miss out on if you don't subscribe. And that is my summer haul of trainers this summer. Where hey, oh yeah, and don't forget that soon there's going to be my reveal of my personalised night trainers. And if you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you to check out me personalising my own night trainers. Wow! Yeah, that's going to be going up in about a month or 5 weeks, 6 weeks time, depending how long they take to arrive. So yeah, look forward to that one. Get your post notifications on. You don't want to be missing that one at all. That's going to be amazing. And I have made some slight changes to the ones that you saw. So yeah, that'll be a nice surprise for you. So yeah, and what I'm going to say now, ciao for now.
There we go, guys, my summer 2018 trainer shopping haul. What else more can I say? Let me know what your favourite brands of trainers are. Let me know what your summer trainers are you're going to be getting. And of course, if you've not done so already, subscribe if you're new. That will mean a hell of a lot to me. Ciao for now.